Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we're going to do something on the sweet side. So we're doing a baked strawberry compote puff pastry. So we've got about a pound of strawberries here that have been diced and the stems cut off of them. We're going to put them into a pan on a low-medium heat. We're going to go ahead and put in about a half a cup of sugar right here. So while the sugar is cooking with the strawberries, you kind of want to make sure everything moves around so you don't burn the sugar and over caramelize it. So now the sugar is kind of fully dissolved and the strawberries are starting to kind of sweat out some of their juices. We're going to go ahead and turn the heat off. We're going to put in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So to prepare this dish, we're going to use our Carolina cooker 10-inch enamel cast iron pot. And we're actually going to lay our puff pastry in the pan. You want to kind of have it to where we're going to make almost like a pocket for all the strawberries. So we're going to take our compote, put it right in the middle, and then we're simply just going to fold the top over on everything. So now our oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and we're going to bake it for about 20 minutes until everything kind of gets golden and bubbly on here. All right, so we've taken it out of the oven. It's been about 20 minutes. Everything is perfect golden brown. We're going to put a little bit of powdered sugar across the top right here, and that's it. Now it smells fantastic with the vanilla and some fresh, nice, ripe strawberries. Absolutely perfect dessert to end a great day. And as always, it's great to take wild game out in the field, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.